Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. Are you feeling okay today? I hope you in good condition and beautiful feeling. Okay, by the way, are you ready to continue our study today? Okay, but before it, let's start our study by saying basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, student, our new material today is about preposition of place. What is preposition of place? Anybody know? Okay, preposition of place is preposition which is used to refer a place where something or someone is located. Jadi, preposition of place dalam bahasa Indonesia itu adalah kata keterangan tempat. Kata keterangan tempat itu digunakan untuk menunjukkan di mana sesuatu atau seseorang itu berada. There are many types of preposition of place, but here we are focused on 3 preposition of place in, on, at. Okay? Let's start our study from preposition of place in. Preposition of place in is used to discuss an enclosed place. Jadi, preposition of place in atau preposisi in itu digunakan untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang tertutup, sesuatu di tempat yang tertutup. We can use preposition of place in to. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan preposisi in itu untuk menjelaskan 3 hal ini. First, yang pertama, country atau nama negara. Look at the example. In Indonesia, in England, in South Korea, and in Japan. Okay? And the second, we can use preposition of place in to discuss city atau nama kota. Look at the example. In Solo, in Banjarnegara, on Extra. Okay? And the last, we can use preposition in to enclosed space atau tempat yang terbatas atau tertutup. Contohnya itu in a car, in a hotel, in the sky, in a picture, in a newspaper, or in a book. Okay, do you understand? Okay, good job. Let's continue to preposition of place on. Preposition of place on is preposition is used to discuss a surface. We can use preposition of place on to. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan preposisi on untuk menjelaskan first yang pertama means of transport. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan untuk menjelaskan atau menunjukkan transportasi. For the example, on a bus, on a train, on a plane. The second is we can use preposition of place on to communication. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan untuk berkomunikasi. Contohnya on the radio, on the TV, or on the phone. Okay? Third, street. We can use preposition of place to discuss street atau nama jalan. Kita bisa menggunakan preposisi on untuk menunjukkan nama jalan. Contohnya on Slamet Riyadi Street, on Oxford Street, or on Pucangan Street. Okay? And then we can use preposition of place on to avenue. For the example, on 7th Avenue, on 1st Avenue, and on 50th Avenue. Okay? And the last, we can use preposition of place on to surface. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan preposisi on untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang biasanya gini ya, menempel. For the example, on a table, on a wall, on the way, and extra. Okay? Do you understand? Let's continue to preposition of place at. Preposition of place at is preposition is used to discuss a special place or point. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan preposisi at itu untuk menunjukkan suatu tempat yang spesifik atau spesial. We can use preposition of place at to. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan preposisi at untuk menunjukkan yang pertama address atau alamat. For the example, at 13 Pucangan Street, at 21 Slamet Riyadi Street, at 3 Oxford Street. Okay? And second, we can use preposition of place at to special location, atau kita bisa menggunakan preposisi at untuk menunjukkan tempat yang spesial atau spesifik. For the example, at the corner, at the top of page, at someone's house, at the bus stop. Okay? Okay, student, it is our material. So far, do you understand about this material? Say yes, please. Oke, good job. Jadi, untuk memudahkan kalian membedakan penggunaan preposition of place, kalian bisa menggunakan triangle method atau metode segitiga. Jadi, bagian bawah segitiga diibaratkan sebagai preposition of place in, di mana preposisi in digunakan untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang general atau umum. Kemudian bagian tengah segitiga diibaratkan sebagai preposition of place on, karena preposisi on digunakan untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang lebih spesifik dari preposition in. Kemudian bagian teratas segitiga atau the top of triangle diibaratkan sebagai preposition of place at, karena at digunakan untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang sangat spesifik atau yang paling spesifik. Okay, student, so far do you understand about this material? Any question? Okay, good job. Okay, now I will give you an exercise. There are 5 questions, so you must fill the blank this question with suitable preposition of place, maybe in, on, or at. Okay, do you understand? Okay, please listen carefully. Question number 1. Where is Fitria? She is blah 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 her sister's house. Question number 2. Afifah was born blah 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 Paris. Question number 3. I was really wish you would stop throwing your dirty clothes blah 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 the floor. Question number 4. My father works blah 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 the hospital. And the last question. The doll is blah 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 the box. Okay, student, let's do the exercise in your home. Good luck! And finally, this is our study today, and our new material today is about preposition of place in, on, at. I hope you understand about this material. Thank you for your attention. Let's close our study by saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Stay safe and stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.